Yeah.
Hello guys, we're playing Burger Game. Let's try to
Nice.
cook the best burger.
Then why is that
Play.
when you are fleeing insurance, I'll ask you if you have a second driver that can
Okay,
drive your
let's
car to
play
Abidjan.
Burger Game.
Then why did they always
This
ask
is
option
good.
for second driver if it's not comprehensive is cover everything?
Number one, let's press start.
Yeah.
It's not working. How do we make our first burger? Ooh, maybe we start with a try. Oh, it says this is the
Okay.
first step to doing a burger. Maybe you can
So
press.
that means I can drive
Oh,
your car with no
that's what
worry.
how you do it in order. It says one button button. There's no button buttons. Oh,
Uh,
there they are. These look like button buttons.
yes. And you also have an insurance.
So wobbly.
Ah.
This game is easy.
Oh.
Button bun. Oh, patty. Where's the patty? These look like patty.
Nice
No, this is a
guitar.
chopped ham.
There are only three of them.
This one's patty. Oh, this. What is this? Raw patty. It says cook till brown. Okay.
So, well,
It takes this long just to get it brown.
wow.
Going through different stages.
So,
It looks
where's that
brown
Victor's
now.
Toyota?
Oh, it still says raw.
Yeah.
It's not grilled.
Chai.
It's grilled. Grilled? I thought it was fried patty.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's bad to have deep fried. What? I guess I have to make you eat dirty food.
800 pounds.
Bread and patty. What? Oh my! I'm throwing this in the bin. I'm throwing this in the bin.
I'm telling
Let's
you.
take all of this with us and let's throw it in the bin. Sing. Oh my sing. Oh my leg. Ew, what's this? Oh my, what is, is this fire? Let's do this again. Oh, it's the bin. Oh, you careful. Oh, you fell in. The bin is a fire hole. This is the worst thing ever. Kick some grass, okay, so. First, we have a bottom bun. Then some. Oh, let's just press start. Okay. First, we have a bottom bun. Then some lettuce. Oh, there's not really much lettuce left. Then some lettuce.
I'm telling you, Mama.
Then some tomato. This is tomato.
And that guy is powerful.
Tomato. Oh my.
Toyota. Very powerful.
It drops so much things. After tomato is patty.
I'm telling you.
On this frying thing again. I'll just use the patty on the floor anyways.
1 million miles.
Cheese. So much.
So he bought a Prado.
Oh my, see, I made this thing for nothing. I hate people.
Man. Then you said van, I was wondering that.
After
Then you said van, I
cheese,
was
it's
wondering,
pickles.
that
I can make this just in time. After pickles, let's top bun. Please, please.
Baby. I need the helmet.
Yeah, enjoy the food.
Yeah.
Wow, so much money. I don't know where you got this from. Dirty tray. Oh yeah, I see the smell. It's dirty. Why do we wash plates? I wash plates like every day. We're going to throw it in a minute. Oh, this is like, oh, Auto clean? No, I'm not buying that. This is useless.
The bigger one.
I don't know why I'm using this tray though. When you used to clean regular tray. Yeah. Drop. I'm getting a regular tray. I don't know where I got this lava tray from. What? This is the one? No, I'm having this one. This one's better. Oh, it's closed. What? Skipped 5 a.m. 5 a.m. I thought open at 9 a.m. and closed at 5 p.m.
Now.
Inoti you. Inoti you. Inoti you. Inoti you. Oh, I can go in third person. I didn't realize these. I look so square. I look so square. Yeah, this is better. If I look so square, this is horrible. Is it 5 a.m. Yeah. Please, one more person. Or I might increase to 4. I'm just gonna open this and get. Oh my! There's nothing in here. I want to drink something. Oh my goodness! I don't know what this place is. Maybe it's like a delivery thing. Ew, I want to be the manager. Yep, I'm not doing any of this. It might be 5 a.m. yet. Oh, what the? There's 2 people, but there's not gonna be 3.
Can I sit 16?
No. Oh, yes, finally. Let's get a tray prepared for the day. When is the first order gonna come up? I'm just gonna get a bottom bun prepared.
It's always wet.
Okay. Next is lettuce. Oh my! It's kind of a blizzard in here. Did it say blizzard? People just stealing the tomatoes.
Are they stealing the tomato? The tomato?
It's none of your business. Yes, the last raw patty. Drop. Raw patty. Cook and cook. Cook till brown. If mine doesn't cook, I'm just gonna take someone's burger. Raw patty. This one's still raw. This one's still raw. I might take hers. What? Am I crazy? Someone will just take mine. That's better if you play in first person. Obviously, this station should be kept.
Hey, go down, it's
After the beef, there's bacon. All the raw patties finished. We'll definitely not have to use that again. I have to grow. What is this? But this is charred. I'm throwing this in the bin. Please, no one take my bacon. I'm throwing this in the bin. Fry. This is charred. Please don't take my bacon. Oh, thank goodness. Could have been burned. I like that it was use a grill. It's much more healthier than fry. You only fry fries, so that's what the word fry is for. Oh, I wouldn't cook this on nothing. Now it's the top bun. The last step for a burger. Let's go and serve it to the customer. No one wants this. That's funny. Didn't I just make it? Or did I miss a step? I missed the pickles. I'm trying. Someone already served it or something. I'm just gonna throw it in the bin. It's useless this way. Oh, there's not a lot of trays left. Why is just in a bunch? It shouldn't be saying 2, not like 10. Because you can't take someone's tray. Okay, let's make the first burger. I'm just gonna do an easy one. I'm gonna do that one. Put it here. I don't want to waste trays because there's only like 2 trays left. No one's doing the easy one. That's good. Yes, raw patties left. Oh, this has really looks. Oh, I hate the grilling stage. But nothing's a burger without its patty. Nothing's a burger without its patty.
I'm here.
Yeah, no. 5, 4, 3. Someone's just throwing trays. What is that? They're throwing something. I can see it from the window. I saw people burger game before on the video. They just put it to the light so they think it's cooked. I don't like how people do that. No one's still doing it. Oh, someone's doing it. Get the onions, get the onions. The beef and lettuce run out a lot. Yes! Before someone serves this. Yes, I just served it right out before. Who wants this? Who wants this?
That
was my money. I was supposed to get that. Someone just jumped through the cash register. I'll just put this burger for someone to eat. No. Oh my. It's only 7 p.m. I want to eat a dinosaur. I have to watch this tray. At least I can use it again. It's mine. Yes. Now I can use it. People are just wasting trays. Oh my. People don't know how to recycle. I'm just gonna do the one that no one's doing. It's gonna close anyways. I'm not doing it. So I got this guys, this is the video. Bye.